Promises of the Lord, in Him are yes, in Him amen, to the glory of the Lord above. No matter what I'm going through, no matter what I'm trying and fail, my answer will always be a yes, 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 yes. No matter what I'm going through, yes, always. No matter when I'm crying, I will say yes, yes. No matter what I'm going through, yes, always. That's my answer to the call. Kunyangwe hamazi ambe, kunyangwe shamwari ziende, kunyangwe vamwe batize, kunyangwe vamwe varambe, kunyangwe vamwe batsamwe. Mwari mukandidana ndinopindura. Always my answer is a yes, yes, yes. No matter what I'm going through, yes, always. No matter when I'm crying, I will say yes. Oh, the answer is yes. Always. Kwamunoda this weekend oyenda, kwamunoda ndendendo yenda, shamunoda nitendo ita, shamunoda ndeteo, shamunoda ndite, oh yes, kwamunoda ndigare. I will always say yes, no matter what I'm going through. Yes, yes, no matter what I'm going through. Yes, always. No matter when I'm crying, I will say yes. The answer is yes. That's my answer to the call, my response to the call. Yes, yes, always. Yes, yes, yes. Promises of the Lord, promises of the Lord.